and how it just can sometimes weigh you down. And then this woman was writing, of course, physical belongings have weight, but they're not the only things that weigh us down.
No?
And so she suggests that there are other things that are weighing you down.
Emotions?
Yes, that we are holding on to things that maybe we can get rid of as we do excess items in our house. Relationships. Do you have a relationship in your life where every interaction leaves you drained?
Oh, yeah. Plenty.
Yeah. Could be a coworker.
Oh, yeah.
Could be, you know what? We hit all of these. Could be a coworker.
Yes.
Could be a boss. You
Yes.
and I.
Yes.
Could be a friend.
Yes.
And since you call me sister, could be a family member.
Sure.
Wow. So if you got rid of me,
Wow.
just think of.
How boring would my life be? Oh.
No, just think of all those things.
Yeah.
You know, those 4 things: coworker, boss, friend, family member. Well, would weighing you down. So anyway, pay attention to how these things feel. Pay attention to how these things feel, and maybe it's time to get rid of some things. Don't even look at me. Okay. Worry. We're holding on to worry. What they say is that most everything you worry about doesn't happen. Most everything. So you're wasting mental and emotional energy worrying about things that are beyond your control. And you know what? We try not to be a political show. We try not to be a religious show. But
Praise the Lord.
Praise the Lord. But I will tell you something that somebody told me once, or I heard once. And you know how sometimes you have mantras that you say, like when you go to bed at night, they say, just say the word like relax.
Keep it square and level.
Breathe in, and breathe out, relax. Breathe in, So somebody once said, let go, let God. And again, I don't, mean to be pushing one idea over another, but that's something that sort of helps people. Let go, let God. Basically saying there are so many things that are not in our control, and that's something, if you can relax into that and say that, it has helped people. Social media. Wow. Do you follow any social media influencers? Me.
Like Robbie Earhart?
Who tend to leave you feeling like what you have isn't enough?
Robbie doesn't do that.
Right. You feel down every time you open a certain app, perhaps, or maybe you're spending too much time on certain apps. These are things that you can let go of in your life. Habits, bad habits, amount of sugar you eat, the amount of never enough sleep that you get, or other habits that could just be weighing down on you, clutter to get rid of. Thoughts. No one appreciates me. I do everything around here. I'm not good enough. That's a Saturday Night Live skit, isn't it? I'm not good enough.
No, you are good enough.
I am good enough.
Yeah.
So, right, change the negative to a positive.
And I think that's Andrew.
That he's not good enough?
No. He feels that like he does everything.
Well, he
right?
does do everything.
I always push the boundaries for myself. That's very accurate. Yes.
Right. You feel like you do everything, but does that weigh you down, or is that just who you are?
Both.
It weighs you down.
Not really. It excites me for sure, but I'm often very tired. But I enjoy doing everything. It keeps me busy, and it keeps me on top of my stuff.
But you could still have an intern. It would help. The past is something that we hold on to too much, especially when the past brings you pain, so that's something to let go of. And we'll talk later.
This is